Hello there, vet pals. In another discussion of poultry nutrition, we're going to talk about nutrient feed additives. Let's start. The nutrient feed additives contain certain essential nutrients necessary for the normal growth and production of the birds. They need to be added if the formulated feed is not expected to contain such as nutrients at required levels. Deficiency of these nutrients in poultry will lead to various anatomical and physiological abnormalities, deficiency diseases, poor growth rate, low egg production, and low resistance to disease. Micronutrients such as vitamins and trace minerals are usually added into diets in the form of standalone micropremixes, so it is rare to see classic symptoms of deficiency of individual nutrients. Rather, the effect seen is more commonly a compilation of many individual metabolic conditions. In many instances, a correct diagnosis can be made only by obtaining complete information about diet and management, clinical signs in the affected living birds, necropsies, and tissue analysis. Furthermore, the nutrient feed additives can be classified into the following categories: vitamin supplements, mineral supplements, essential amino acids, protein hydrolysates, liver extract, live yeast and yeast extract, fermentation, byproducts. In vitamin supplements, there is fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins supplying such vitamins as vitamin A, D3, E, and K. Meanwhile, water-soluble vitamins such as B-complex group of vitamins and vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamins are most commonly due to inadvertent omission of a complete vitamin premix from the bird's diet. Multiple signs are therefore seen, although in general, signs of B vitamin deficiencies appear first, because there are some stores of fat-soluble vitamins in the body. It often takes longer for these deficiencies to affect the bird, and it may take months for vitamin A deficiency to affect adult birds. Mineral supplements has macrominerals, microminerals, and ultra-trace elements. Macrominerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and sulfur. Microminerals such as manganese, zinc, iron, copper, and iodine. And ultra-trace elements like selenium, cobalt, molybdenum, and chromium. A deficiency of either calcium or phosphorus in the diet of young growing birds result in abnormal bone development, even when the diet contains adequate amount of vitamin D3. A deficiency of manganese in the diet of immature chickens and turkeys is one of the potential causes of cirrhosis and chondrodystrophy, and also the production of thin-shelled eggs and poor hatchability in mature birds. Deficiencies of both iron and copper can lead to anemia, while iodine deficiency results in a decreased output of thyroxine from the thyroid gland, which in turn stimulates the anterior pituitary to produce and release increased amounts of thyroid-stimulating hormone. And mortality is quite high on diets only marginally deficient in magnesium, even though growth of survivors may approach that of control birds. Essential amino acids are additives supplying lysine, methionine, and tryptophan. Essential amino acids are often added to the diet in purified form, such as DL, methionine, and L-lysine, to minimize the total protein level as well as the cost of the diet. This has added advantage of minimizing nitrogen excretion. Protein hydrolysates, a pre-digested protein such as hydrolyzed feather meal, hair meal, and supplying amino acids and other nutrients. It's produced through the process of enzymatic hydrolysis that generates smaller amino acid chains, the bioactive peptides. Liver extract supplies essential nutrients in the most assumable form. Liver extract contains vitamin B12, folic acid, and iron, used mostly for the liver health of the bird. Live yeast and yeast extract supplies essential nutrients, digestive enzymes, and unidentified growth factors or UGF. It consists of the cell contents of yeast without the cell walls. Lastly, fermentation byproducts. Similarly, it supplies various essential nutrients and UGF. In recent decades, the fermentation process has been employed to produce functional feeds that have the potential to improve broiler gastrointestinal tract microecology, health, and production performance. Some of the functional ingredients found in fermented feed include lactic acid bacteria, or also known as LAB, lactic acid, and other organic acids, and appear to play major roles in determining the beneficial effects of fermented feed on broiler gut health and performance. In the next video, non-nutrient feed additives will be discussed more. I am Kyle, your VetPulse speaker. Thanks for watching.